afternoon, this is Chelsea. Now I'm in Taipei. Now it's 7 a.m. in the early morning, but it's a perfect, wonderful day. It's sunny outside, and I'm so excited to share with you two of my favorite afternoon tea snacks. Into the flour, mix it well. Okay, I use chopstick. You can use fork or anything you're used to it. Okay, and now the hot water, 100 milliliter hot water in. We call this 烫面. So you'll see when we put the hot water in, the flour will be like a bit like crumble, right? So that's what the magic of hot water. And last but not least, our beautiful scallion. Okay. Ooh, we have it looks like the mountainous Taiwan. Now we have over 100 mountains, 100 peaks in Taiwan, which is over 3,000 meters high. Yeah, and all in the center of Taiwan look like this. Perfect. And let's take a look now. Ooh, can you see it? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to drain it. Okay, drain the extra water out and put it back to the pot. And use your knife to cut it. Someone say it's like Taiwanese pizza. So here we have our scallion pancake, 葱油饼, and bubble milk tea.